it's an exciting time for Volvo Car Ghent. 2020 is the year of electrification. In March we already opened the brand new battery factory where we are building the batteries for the XC40. Today we are proud to announce that the first customer car of the first full electric Volvo has been produced. And this means that's the next step of electrification for Volvo, but it's a huge milestone for Volvo Car Ghent. Actually, the future for Ghent looks really bright. The customer demand of the XC40 Recharge is very strong and the order intake is rising. And I'm confident that Ghent is a strong pillar in the exciting electrification journey of Volvo Cars. Pioneering the industrialization of the first full electric car for Volvo is a great honor. This is a huge cross-functional challenge, and at first I want to thank all of the colleagues in the plant for launching the product today. But I also would like to thank R&D for the support, up to the project team and the supporting department, who work jointly with the plant as one team with dedication to master all of the challenges, and that we finally could launch successfully the XC40 Recharge. Great teamwork, and it proves again that even with the newest technology,